Hi, welcome to ProgrammingKT. I am explaining about the problem is squares of sorted array. So if the input array contains all elements are in sorting order, so we need to return result array also in sorting order. Moreover that each and every element we need to make square. So each and every element move to proper sorting position. Like here in this case minus 9 times minus 9 we will get some bigger number comparing with all elements inside this input array, that is 81, move to last position. So why? Because minus 9 times minus 9 we will get some positive number, right? That's why it moved to last. So from input array, I mean bigger element is the 6. So 6 times 6, it is somewhat smaller compared to, I mean minus 9 times minus 9, right? That's why it moved to last third position. Likewise, each and every element, once we make square, that element must and should move to proper sorting position. So we can solve this problem number of ways, but here I am trying to solve the problem by using two pointer approach. So first I am trying to declare one input array. I am trying to copy values as it is from input. So I am trying to declare one method called find squares of sorted array. This method is expecting integer type of array. I created that method. So from this method I am trying to return result array. So from this method I am trying to build the logic. So first I am trying to declare one result array. Why? Because once I make square of each and every element, I am trying to store in result array. New int of input array length. So next I am trying to declare three variables. Left, because I already said, right, two pointer approach. For that I am trying to declare three variables. Left, right. Right variable is the length minus 1. So these are the two pointers, and one more variable I am trying to declare that for tracking index, like index. This one also I am trying to assign like length minus 1. So next I am declaring one while loop. So here I am trying to check the condition. Left is less than right. So here I can declare length less than or equal to right. So inside this I am trying to declare two more variables called left element square, left square. So array of, for calculating first element, I mean in first iteration. So minus 9 times minus 9, that logic only I am trying to declare here. Array of left times array of left. Similarly right square for last element, this one in first iteration. Right square array of right, right times right, array of. Now I need to compare these two elements. Which one is bigger? I need to assign end of the result array. Why? Because this index is I declared length minus 1, right? That's why. So here I will compare logic like if left square is greater than right square. So I am trying to assign into a result array of end position. Result array of index left square. Now I need to increment left value. Moreover that I need to decrement index value. Why? Because from end to begin I am trying to traverse. So if it is false, I am trying to, I mean rightmost element is the bigger, I am trying to assign result array end. So for that I will copy code and I will paste here. Here I will update right, and here I need to decrement right minus 1. I mean right minus minus. So this is the logic for squares of sorted array. Finally I need to return result array. I will say return result array. Now logic is looking good. Now try to print the result array. Array start to string. Finding squares of sorted array. So if we can observe the output from actual output. So this is the expected output, this is the actual output. So 0, 1, 4, 16, 25, 36. Yeah, exactly we are getting expected output, right? Let me try to change the input. So now I got last element in last position. Why? Because 86 is the bigger value. If I can observe 98 here. Now 98 is the bigger element comparing with all remaining all elements. So let me try to remove, I am trying to give all negative numbers. Now minus 98 is the bigger. Next will be the minus 8. Next will be the 2. We try to give two elements. So it is working all, different. I am running with different input. So it is working as expected, right? So this is the logic for finding squares of sorted array. So here if we can observe, space complexity is big O of n, time complexity is big O of n. So space complexity I am trying to declare one new brand array, that's why big O of n. Moreover that time complexity is I am trying to iterate whole array. If the array length is 10, 10 times, 100, 100 times, that's why time complexity is big O of n. Space complexity is big O of n, time complexity big O of n. So if you know any better solution comparing with this both space complexity and time complexity wise, make a comment in comment section. Thanks for watching.